The company PMD gifted me the personal Microderm Pro, and let's see what the box brings. It has, of course, instructions, the tool, the Microderm tool. It has two suctions. This one is the small one, and then it has a bigger one that you can use for your body. It has the plug. This is not it has to be plugged in order to be using this. And then it has many different the little things that you use. You have bigger ones. You have these bigger ones for the body, the smaller ones for your face. It just basically exfoliates your dead skin, just wiping off any residue of makeup. Let's turn it on and see how this works. You want to go upwards. And I wanted to show you, this is kind of gross, but this, you unscrew it because you're going to wash this, and the inside, look, that's all the dead skin. So you're going to take off this. It's like a little filter, and they say that you need to take it off and wash it off. And that's a lot of dead skin. Ew. One thing I want to let you know, when using this, be very gentle. Start it very, very slowly and be gentle, and don't go over one spot too many times. It's a very great tool, very powerful, and go upwards once on each side, and don't overdo it the first time you're using it. But this is absolutely a great tool you're going to love.